Welcome to the Vikings Garage. On today's episode, I'll be bringing to you guys how to install Raptor style amber lights on a 4Runner. And I believe we're going to be replacing the fog lights as well. Although the fog light portion, I'm not going to get so technical with it because I think most of you know how to change a light bulb. Right? Right. Well, let's get to it. So there you have it. OEMs versus yellow LEDs. We'll see what we get out of this. Alright, so as far as amber lights, this is all you're gonna need. The kit comes with these three: harness and a fuse connection. You need to get some zip ties, and these are all the tools you need. You are also gonna need a 10mm wrench it or socket, and these two. Alright, so first things first, this cover's got to come off. This is where this tool comes on handy. Hopefully you guys can see this on camera here. You push it down and then pull it up like so. And you take all of them. So one down, two more to go. This is what it looks like from the back. You got the two screws and this plate, which you feed through the front. Let me demonstrate. Just like that. Alright, and once you're all done plugging everything back together, it should look a little something like this. Now mind you guys, I know this is not some masterpiece. It looks a little sketchy, but my main goal was so that you couldn't see the wires from the front grille, and I think for the most part they're kind of tucked away, so that's how I did it. Now, I know this one is just a little detail, but I couldn't tell you how many times I've gotten a 4Runner in the shop and these clips were actually all loose. So I'm going to show you guys how to put these back. So, with it loose, looks a little something like that. What you do is press. You see how that pops up like so? And then put it into place and just make it even. I know, it's a small detail, but I figure this way you guys won't lose all the clips. So after I fix my harness here, what you want to do is obviously your red goes like so. So much for plug and play, huh? And I obviously made my single wire here in a way. And by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, you need a 10 as well. You can put it on battery. I think over here looks cleaner, my opinion. Fuse in question is, excuse the noise, number 10, INJ. Grab number 10. Once you have inserted the fuse, it should look like this. and obviously you're gonna insert it back where you took the old fuse from. I'm sorry about the background noise, guys. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. The shop gets really noisy sometimes, as I'm sure you guys know. That's it. And that's how you do it. You tuck this guy away best you can. It should look something like that. Cover goes right in. Of course, don't lose your fuse puller. You can store this guy right there. That's where you keep the spares. She is closed. As you will see, not many wires will be shown. That's basically all you're gonna see. Everything else is covered. And that's how it looks. So let's take a look with the lights out, shall we? Does it really work? So what do you guys think? Do you like the yellow on the fog lights better, or do you like the clear better? Me personally, I like this look better because I think it's not as much of a contrast and it just flows. And I gotta say, man, the visibility at night, it's so much better. Drop me a comment below, let me know which one you like better. And by the way, guys, we just reached a big milestone. We're over 200 subscribers. I want to take the opportunity to thank you guys, and stay tuned for more content coming your way. I do appreciate it, you guys, and till then, take care of yourselves. Boy, this garage is getting crowded. All right, so this is the portion of the video in which I give you my review on the product. What can I tell you about it? So, bought it on eBay, paid $46, so can't complain there. But here's where I have a problem. No instructions. This particular one does not come with instructions. Not to mention in the description it said plug and play. Meanwhile, the ground wire, I had to do a little bit of soldering just to make it look, you know, clean. So, would I buy it again? Yes. Ultimately, guys, for the price that I paid for it, it is what I was looking for. It's clean, subtle. I like the way it looks. Just don't like the fact that it had no instructions. But that doesn't really matter now, does it, for you guys? Because I just made this video for you, so I am your instructions. Yeah, all joking aside, guys, for 46 bucks is not too bad. Another thing I forgot to mention is that they don't mention anything in there about you needing a different fuse, and you will, because the fuse that you are pulling out is what we call a mini, and this requires a slightly bigger fuse in order to fit in the piece that they gave you, the harness fuse piece. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned, I got a little bit of a surprise coming up.